2023, Munro Mk1. Before we start, please subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell, so that you will be notified for the new video upload. The Scotland-based Munro Vehicles is introducing the uninspiringly named Mk1. It already touts as being the world's most capable electric 4x4. If the boxy design seems familiar, you are not alone, since it reminds us of the Bollinger B1, another electric vehicle built to tackle rough terrain. It supports 100 kW DC charging, in which case owners can juice up the battery from 15 to 80% in 36 minutes. If the battery is feeding from a 22 kW AC source, it will take about 3 hours to go from 15 to 100%. After 8 years of use and 100,000 miles, or nearly 161,000 kilometers, the battery should still retain about 80% of its original energy capacity. The Go Anywhere electric machine has been developed with a choice of two powertrains, one delivering 295 horsepower, or 220 kilowatts, and the other 375 horsepower, or 280 kilowatts. Customers get to pick from either a 61 kilowatt-hour battery, or a larger 82 kilowatt-hour pack, with a maximum range of up to 190 miles, or equivalent 306 kilometers. Munro says the Mk1 can tackle an off-road course for as many as 16 hours on a single charge. Munro mentions the instant torque of 700 Nm, or 516 pound-feet is available at up to 50 miles per hour, or 80 kilometers per hour, and gives the Mk1 a maximum payload of 1,000 kilograms, or equivalent 2,204 pounds, along with a towing capacity of 3,500 kilograms, or equivalent 7,716 pounds. Go for the more powerful performance version and it will do 0 to 62 miles per hour, or 100 kilometers per hour in only 4.9 seconds. Since the vehicle is engineered to prioritize torque, the top speed is only 80 miles per hour, or 129 kilometers per hour. With a body-on-frame chassis, standard central locking differential, optional front and rear locking differentials, and a 2-speed transfer box, the Mk1 is a true off-roader. It has a generous ground clearance of 480 mm, or equivalent 19 inches, and can wade through water up to a depth of 800 mm, or equivalent 31.5 inches. Munro mentions 84 and 51 degree approach and departure angles, as well as a 148 degree ramp breakover angle. It uses a lighter and more compact axial flux electric motor mounted between the two front seat occupants, to provide the Go Anywhere electric vehicle with an almost ideal 50-50 weight distribution. The Mk1 boasts a galvanized steel ladder chassis with 5 mm thick steel, and has enough room to accommodate a Euro pallet in the load area. The Munro Mk1 is hand-built and will be delivered to the first customers in 2023. What do you think of this car? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.